Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. In this series, we explore common English idioms to help you sound more natural in daily conversations. Today, we're looking at two more very useful phrases: cost an arm and a leg, and play it by ear. Let's get started.
Our first idiom is cost an arm and a leg. This idiom means that something is very, very expensive. For example, you might say, that new designer handbag must have cost an arm and a leg. Now, let's hear how Clara and Daniel use this idiom in a natural setting.
Daniel, look at this menu. Everything seems so expensive here.
You're right. That steak dish, for instance, looks like it would cost an arm and a leg.
It really does. Maybe the pasta is a safer choice for our budget?
Good thinking, Clara. Pasta it is.
Next up, we have the idiom play it by ear. This phrase means to decide how to deal with a situation as it develops, rather than having a fixed plan. For instance, we might say, we didn't make a schedule for the trip. We'll just play it by ear. Let's listen to Clara and Daniel again to see how they use play it by ear.
Clara, are we still thinking of going to that art exhibition this weekend?
Yes, definitely, Daniel. I'd love to see it. But I'm not exactly sure what time I'll be free on Saturday. Could we maybe just play it by ear?
Sure, that works for me. Just let me know when you figure out your timing.
Great, thanks. I'll text you.
So, to recap, cost an arm and a leg means something is very expensive. And play it by ear means to decide what to do as a situation unfolds, without a firm plan. We hope you found these explanations helpful. Try using these idioms yourself. Can you think of other examples? Share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel, English Tidbits, for more everyday idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.